Welcome back to Fishing with Hoffman. We are out here bluegill fishing today, or panfish. We're going to go for some crappie. We're going to go for some bluegill. I'm out here with my family. This is Kaylin Hoffman, and this is Tanya. Yeah. We my daughter, she's set up with a slip bobber. I got her set up with a slip bobber with a bobber stop up here, and just a small split shot down here. And I got them using mealworms to start out with. We've got some minnows. I'm gonna try for some crappie with these minnows I got in here. They're orange colored minnow. You guys can see them. But it is March 18th.
It's May.
Or I'm sorry, it's May 19th, 2018. So hopefully we'll get out here and catch some panfish today. Okay guys, I'm gonna use I got a Slab Daddy slab shaker here, by Mr. Crappie. I'm using a 1/16 ounce pink and white jig head on an orange minnow, and I have a slip bobber with a bobber stop on there. I'm running it probably about 4 or 5 feet. We have an overcast day out here today, so I'm thinking these crappie might not be very deep, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot and see if we can't bring you guys in some crappie footage too. Get back after them. Yours underwater? Pull it, Kay. Pull it.
Oh my God, mine's on.
Pull it, you got it. You got something.
Get him, Kay.
Reel it, reel it.
Get him, Kay. Get him. Keep reeling. Just keep reeling. Keep your rod tip up in the air. Keep it up in the air. Easy, 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 easy. Up in the air. Oh, yeah.
Wow, you got the
Reel it in.
one.
Reel your slack in. Get him on camera.
Wow, he was a big one.
Got our first
catch.
first bluegill for today.
Oh my.
The real name for these are brim. But
I want to hold it.
yeah, that's a beautiful fish there, Kay. Good
Wow,
job.
Kay.
Got him?
Yeah.
All right. Not sure what I got, but I'm hoping my first crappie. Oh yeah, crappie.
Yes!
First crappie.
It's beautiful. Can I touch it?
Yeah, hold on now. You can hold these by the lip.
Stop moving around.
Black crappie.
I don't want to hold it by the road.
I was taking my crappie off, and Kaylin's over there getting them. All right, got another one.
This is fun.
It's fun because you're catching.
It's always fun just to be out, guys. Memories, good times.
It doesn't want to let go of that.
Plus, you're
word.
fishing with Hoffman. Got another one.
Can I hold it? It's so pretty.
You gotta watch these spikes. See, you're gonna like hold down on it. Got him? Squeeze him.
He's slippery.
All right. Feels like I got a pretty nice crappie on here.
I see it.
Not a bad one. Yeah,
Oh,
not a bad one.
he's so pretty.
Okay, all right. We're out here getting into some crappie and some bluegill too.
Can I hold him?
That is awesome. Never fails me, guys. If crappie are hitting, they're hitting that pink and white 16 ounce jig head on a
Bluegills are hitting mine.
this one right here is a white crappie.
That's not something on mine. Can I hold him?
That's a pretty one.
Mine.
Come on.
All right, Tanya's got one on here.
Get it. fall off.
Just
It
keep
fell
reeling, keep
off.
reeling it. I know he's still on there, keep reeling. All right, that's not a bad one. Tanya got her first. She broke the ice.
Is that a crappie?
That's a nice bluegill. That's probably one of the nicest ones yet.
That isn't mine.
That is another one here.
Can I hold it?
There he is. Got him. Yeah. Not a big one, but I got one. All right. It's nice to get into these crappie. Hit that little UL Shadow 1. It's a little guy. Man, he hit that thing hard. Got my family underneath the bridge here trying to, they're over there waiting it out, waiting the storm out here. Starting to slow down, the rain's starting to slow down a little bit. Hopefully we can get back after these fish. I think that rain might have made them a little excited. And
It's barely raining anymore.
yeah, I know, it's getting better. Well, we're gonna set you guys up over here after it starts to slow down here. That way we can get into some more. There's some crappie over in here too. I just had another hit right there. There he is. Oh yeah.
Where are you putting all these fish?
Oh, that's a, he's fighting pretty good, Kaylin. Oh, that's a nice one. All right. Well, yeah, we're getting into them. Black crappie and white crappie both.
What are you going to need?
A lot of times out here in Belmont, at this particular spot that I fish out here, a lot of times the black crappie will hold up in here, which the majority of them have been, but I have been picking a few white ones up in here too. And I can see why though. A lot of bait fish hanging out in here. We're gonna go back, keep after these fish, guys, and keep bringing you some good footage. Feel like it's been so far this day, I mean the rain, I kind of wish the rain would have never hit, but yeah, I feel like our mission for today has been accomplished. We got exactly what we've been after so far, so see if we can keep bringing some more footage of some crappie and some bluegill here. Got him on, fish on, fish on.
Is it big?
I don't know yet. Kind of get wrapped up in my other line. All right. Got him on the slab shaker. Like I said, that pink jig head, if the crappie are hitting, it never fails. It never fails me. When they're hitting. Another black one. Nice crappie. Got one going with it. All right, fish on. Another fish on, guys. They are definitely in here. Rain's starting to slow down here. We're kind of hoping it's going to clear out. If I can get Kaylin back in action here. I don't want her to get all soaking wet. There we go. Got him. Another little guy here. Hey, we like them either way, okay? We like them either way. It's just a little baby guy. Yeah, look at him. It's a baby. Little baby one. Let him go out there and get bigger one day. Keep reeling him up. You got a bass on.
Oh, awesome.
Hold on.
Oh, you got a bass.
Bass.
Awesome.
It's being a beehole.
He's not big enough to keep though.
Why?
Gotta be 12 inches.
It's not 12 inches?
No, he's under. He's probably
That
9.
would be a foot.
Let him go out and get bigger one day. I don't know what you got on there, but it looks pretty.
Pretty damn big.
Whatever it is, pretty. Keep cranking him. Keep cranking it. Keep cranking. That's a nice crappie, Kay. Keep cranking. Reel. You gotta keep a tight line. All right. Nice crappie. Nice one, Kay.
Is it a black crappie?
It's a white crappie. Pretty one too. All right. Just starting to go over there. Tanya, go. Reel it in and pull. Got him. That's how you get him. That's how you get him.
You're gonna get some.
Crank it in. Might be your first crappie, ain't it? Oh, he's jumping.
It's back.
Oh, I got one too. Oh, good footage. Good footage.
You got it, Mom.
All right. Keep reeling it. I think you might have a bass. You do. You got a bass. I got a crappie. All right. Sweet.
Still can't keep him though, and these lines
Yeah.
are crossed.
All right.
He's beautiful though. The one on the ground's beautiful.
Yeah, when I seen him jump out of the water, I knew.
It's probably the same guy.
There's the bass.
That carpie's beautiful.
Yeah, they are pretty.
No.
My line's all screwed up.
I'll get you guys fixed up in a second here.
It's like connected.
Another
I think
crappie,
it's
white one.
off.
Crappie on.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
There's something wrong
Getting them,
with
baby.
the black
Getting them.
line.
I'm still not getting it.
Given it
Still getting
will.
a crappie, guys. Out here, Belmont. Get him.
Got one?
Yeah.
Get him.
Get it. You're...
Oh, she got a bass.
Probably the
Oh,
same.
no, that's a big crappie. Big crappie. Big. Yeah, look how pretty.
Huge.
That's a black crappie. Look how pretty he is. They're on the spawn there.
It's so pretty.
I'll get the mud off of them for you there. Give me a second.
He's so pretty.
That's see how black he is?
Yeah.
Well,
Does that mean he's special?
they're I can't remember if it's a male or female, but their heads turn black when they spawn. Clean him off. That's a beautiful fish.
Wow.
See how
look
black-
at his.
see how black
He's
his
all
head is?
checkered Or polka dotted.
Yeah, they got specks on them.
Put him in the bucket.
Yeah, we'll keep that one. We want to keep him.